Facebook groups are an absolute goldmine for growing a local business, but most business owners aren't using them. And if you're ready to get more customers for your local business in a consistent way and get quality customers, I'm going to talk to you about the power of Facebook groups today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook groups to get more local customers. Even if you've never joined a Facebook group before, even if you have no idea what a Facebook group is, even if your business has already been around for a long time, or if you're just getting started and don't even have your business up and running yet, these tips will help you understand the power of Facebook groups and what those can do to help you grow your local business. Let's get started. But first, what are Facebook groups anyway? Well, Facebook groups are just a place to connect, learn, and share with people who have similar interests or are like-minded, maybe live in the same place or have the same types of hobbies, right? You can join or create a group for anything, which is really great. It could be stargazing, or it could be baking, or it could be parenting, right? You connect with people in your community or across the globe. So it all depends on your business. Now, groups can also be public or private, depending on who set up the group and what their goals are. So Facebook groups are just an association that exists on Facebook that is based around a certain shared interest or affiliation, right? So joining those groups can give you great access. It could be community members who live in your community. It could be other small business owners in your community, but joining them can be really powerful for creating a network, an engagement network where you can drive customer leads to your business. Let's talk about how. Okay, first up, the most obvious tip is to first find and join relevant local groups. So look for groups with interests related to your business. So for example, if you own a bakery, join a local foodie group or a local event planning groups or local restaurant business owner groups. It's all about getting involved in the conversation where your potential customers or your potential referral partners all hang out. Remember, be community first and a promoter second. Tip number 2, now let's talk about what engagement means. It means being active and helpful in this group. Your whole goal should not be being promotional, it should be being helpful. If you're helpful, people will want to become your customer. So answer questions, provide value, share tips that members will appreciate. When you're seen as a helpful resource, people will naturally want to learn more about your business, but keep it friendly and genuine because nobody likes a spammer. Tip 3, everyone loves a special deal. Offer group exclusive discounts or early access to new products, maybe a buy one, get one for group members only. This not only rewards group members, but also gives them a reason to visit your business and become loyal customers. Now, you may need to ask permission from the Facebook group owner before you can do something like that, or the admin of the Facebook group. Also, if you've created the Facebook group and you're the admin, then you can go right ahead and do this in your own group. But if you're creating a group instead of joining one, you have to wait until you get enough traction for something like this to be meaningful. Tip number 4, build a relationship with the group admins. They're the key to the community. Sometimes they allow certain promotional activities, or maybe you can even sponsor a post or a meetup event that you can promote in the Facebook group. But remember, always respect the group's rules and culture. It's a good idea to participate a little and starting by being helpful, and just kind of see how the relationships form in the group. A good relationship with the admin too can go a really long way for you. And lastly, share customer success stories. Did someone from the group try your service and love it? Well, with their permission, share their story. It's real, it's relatable, it shows the direct benefit of your business to the others in the local community. Personal stories resonate well and build trust with your community, okay? So if you like this video, please subscribe. Also, we have Mighty Sites. If you're looking for a simple professional website, the link's down below for a free trial to Mighty Sites for your local business. That's a wrap on today's tips. Facebook groups can be a gold mine for connecting with local customers and growing your business. So dive in, be authentic, be helpful and engaging, and don't forget to hit that like button so that more people see this video and expands the reach so more local business owners can tap into the power of Facebook groups and grow their small business.